Flood watch in effect from Sunday evening through Tuesday morning. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of northern Connecticut, including the following areas: Hartford, Connecticut, Tolland, Connecticut, and Windham, Connecticut. Portions of Massachusetts, including the following areas: eastern Franklin, Massachusetts, eastern Hampton, Massachusetts, eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, northern Middlesex, Massachusetts, northern Worcester, Massachusetts, southern Worcester, Massachusetts, western Franklin, Massachusetts, western Hampton, Massachusetts, and western Hampshire, Massachusetts. When? From Sunday evening through Tuesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of streets, urban and poor drainage areas. Rivers, creeks, and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: several rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected Sunday night through Monday night. Storm total amounts range from 1.5 to 3 inches across the watch area, but localized higher amounts are possible, especially where thunderstorms develop. Thunderstorms will have the potential to produce rainfall rates in excess of 1 inch per hour, which will elevate the risk of urban and street flooding along with localized flash flooding. The greatest risk for storms will be across northern Connecticut, western and central Massachusetts. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flood watch in effect from Sunday evening through Monday afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? A portion of southern Connecticut, including the following areas: northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, northern New London, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven, and southern New London. When? From Sunday evening through Monday afternoon. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: a slow-moving line of showers and thunderstorms is expected to move across the watch area Sunday evening and night into the first half of Monday. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches will be possible, with localized amounts of 3 to 4 inches possible. These totals may result in flash flooding of urban and low-lying areas. In addition, some streams may reach flood stage. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through late Sunday night. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey and southeast New York, including the following areas: in northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic, and western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Orange, Putnam, Richmond, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Queens, and southern Westchester. When? From Sunday afternoon through late Sunday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: a slow-moving line of showers and thunderstorms is expected to move across the watch area Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches will be possible, with localized amounts of 3 to 4 inches possible. These totals may result in flash flooding of urban and low-lying areas. In addition, some streams may reach flood stage. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of central New York and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in central New York: Broome, Chemung, Chenango, Cortland, Delaware, Otsego, Schuyler, Sullivan, Tioga, and Tompkins. In northeast Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, northern Wayne, Pike, southern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. When? From Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, New York, and southern Vermont, including the following areas in northwestern Connecticut, northern Litchfield, and southern Litchfield. In western Massachusetts, northern Berkshire and southern Berkshire. In New York, eastern Albany, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Greene, eastern Rensselaer, eastern Schenectady, eastern Ulster, Montgomery, northern Saratoga, northern Warren, northern Washington, Schoharie, southeast Warren, southern Saratoga, southern Washington, western Albany, western Columbia, western Dutchess, western Greene, western Rensselaer, western Schenectady, and western Ulster. In southern Vermont, Bennington, eastern Windham, and western Windham. When? From Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: there is the potential for widespread rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches, with locally higher amounts of 4 to 5 inches possible, especially in the southern Greens and Catskills. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northern New York, including the following counties: eastern Clinton, eastern Essex, northern Franklin, southern Franklin, western Clinton, and western Essex. Portions of Vermont, including the following counties: Caledonia, eastern Addison, eastern Chittenden, eastern Franklin, eastern Rutland, eastern Windsor, Essex, Grand Isle, Lamoille, Orange, Orleans, Washington, western Addison, western Chittenden, western Franklin, western Rutland, and western Windsor. When? From Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Extensive street flooding and flooding of creeks and rivers are possible. Area creeks and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain. Additional details: there is potential for widespread rainfall of 2 to 4 inches with localized amounts of over 5